Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, March 29, 2023. Yesterday, the markets put in a hammer candlestick, and that candlestick pattern is a pattern where the open and close are up near the highs of the session, and there's a longer wick that takes place, which will be trading activity taking place below the open. So lots of range that takes place below the open, little activity above, and that kind of makes a hammer-shaped candlestick. That took place yesterday, and that's something that we can test here within Discover. That's what we're going to be doing. So let me get this set up. I've got all four instruments selected here. The trade type is a long that enters at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exits at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is getting some follow-through to the upside following the rally into the close yesterday. So I'm going to go to the opening filters, click on Gap Up, and then I'm going to go to the price patterns and grab that hammer candlestick pattern. That's going to be here in the active today. If I go down to the candlesticks, yesterday was a doji and a hammer. I'm going to do the hammer. And then I'm going to put us above a 200-day simple moving average. I'm grabbing that from the indicators library. And now I'm clicking view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you were gapping up, and the prior session was a hammer candlestick that closed above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 39 samples in the S&P. We've got 30 in the NASDAQ, 40 in the Dow, 32 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on these, S&P coming in at 64% of those 39 samples close above the opening print the following session. For the NASDAQ, 67%, for the Dow, 55%, for the Russell, 38%. So three of the four have favored win rates there. If we go to the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. NASDAQ, a little bit larger average loss. For the Dow, the average loss a little bit larger as well, and then Russell pretty similar in size. So two of the four have moves that are bigger on the downside. Three of the four have win rates that are favored, with the NASDAQ leading the group here at 67% of these closing above the opening print following that pattern. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.